Wish you would have taken a picture, 4 or 5 weeks ago, I guess.
Hi. So, Christine, tell us how you feel. Today's day 7 of your spinal cord stimulator trial. Can you tell us what you noticed?
The difference in pain level in between my urethra, my bladder, even my hips have gone down. I was a 10 plus when I walked in the door, and I'd probably say I'm right about now just about a 3 when I walked in the door. It's 75% increase, and I only had the half done, so it's hoping for more positive results.
Tell us about the activities that you were able to do during the trial that you were not able to do prior.
Prior to the trial, I was pretty much staying at home in a reclined position, taking whatever meds I was, allowed to take, waiting for that next moment to take the next pet med. Couldn't go out to dinner, couldn't shop, couldn't clean, I had people coming in helping me out. And since in the past week, I've gone to dinner, I've shopped every day, I've made up for a lot of things doing that. So I'd say my quality of life has increased by 1,000.
Awesome. Great.